Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to do something I've always wanted to do with my car, which is take off the wheels and tires in order to properly clean them, as well as do a more thorough job of cleaning the brake caliper. So, as you guys can see, instead of using this Duralast scissor jack, I went out and got a low profile jack, which is a black line 3.5 ton service jack, so it's going to actually be low enough to get underneath the car. And instead of having to use this torque wrench right here, I have the brand new Milwaukee M18 high impact torque wrench, and I'm super excited to use these and take the wheels off and clean the car more effectively. So here we go. Time to use the torque wrench. These wheels are a little bit deeper offset, so time to use this and loosen them. I pretty much have the caliper perfect. The few problem areas you're probably going to have is right here, right in this little crevice right here, and then right here, right next to the rotor. The backside can be kind of difficult, but it looks pretty good, and now it's time to clean the wheel. So I recently just got this Black Magic ceramic wheel cleaner. The brake dust is pretty obnoxious on a Z06, so we're going to try out this product and see how it does. But got my wheel up, and we're going to clean it, and then we're also going to wash it with the Adams car shampoo. Now that the wheel is on there and it's all clean and it looks great, it's now time to lower the jack and on to the next. Wanted to show you guys the final product. It looks really good. My back hurts, I'm cramping all over, but the calipers are clean, the wheels look really good. I would recommend doing this probably 4 or 5 times a year just to make sure everything is clean, but it looks really good and I'm really happy with it. Really glad I have a new jack. Everybody was commenting on having a new jack, but also the M18 electric torque is pretty sweet too, but looks good and I'm happy with the final outcome. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day and take care.